apple cider vinegar. People swear by it, but is it really that powerful? Spoiler alert, yes. Let's break down some crazy ACV facts. First, digestion. A shot before meals can help break down food and stop bloating. Skincare? Oh yeah, ACV fights acne and balances your skin's pH. And cleaning? It kills odors, repels fruit flies, and even works as a natural deodorant. Don't worry, you won't smell like vinegar. From your gut to your skin to your home, ACV does it all. Are you team love it or team too strong? Let me know in the comments. Hey there. Did you know your body might be sending you signals about a stroke weeks before it happens? Let's talk about 7 sneaky signs to watch for. Sudden numbness or weakness, especially on one side, that's a red flag. Confusion or trouble speaking, don't ignore it. Vision problems in one or both eyes, take note. Sudden severe headache, pay attention. Balance issues or dizziness, be aware. Fatigue or weakness, listen to your body. Lastly, face drooping, time to act. Now let's prevent it. Eat these 8 superfoods: leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, whole grains, nuts, citrus fruits, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate. Yum! Your health matters, so don't wait. Share this video with someone you care about. It could save a life. Remember, knowledge is power, and prevention is key. Did you know your eyes can reveal hidden health issues? That's right. Your eyes aren't just windows to your soul, they're windows to your overall health. Ever notice those tiny red lines in the whites of your eyes? They could be signaling high blood pressure. Or what about that subtle yellow tint? It might be a sign of liver problems. But here's the kicker. Some eye changes can even predict your risk of Alzheimer's disease years before symptoms appear. Mind-blowing, right? So when was the last time you had a comprehensive eye exam? Don't wait for problems to surface. Your eyes deserve more than just a vision check. Book an appointment with an eye care professional today. Your future self will thank you. Remember, healthy eyes equal a healthier you.
Did you know your ears are kind of like hidden superheroes? They keep working even after your brain and heart stop. These small but mighty organs can tell the difference between hundreds of thousands of sounds. Even some animals can't hear what you can. And here's something cool. Your ears clean themselves, so you can toss those Q-tips. Next time you're jamming to your favorite song, take a moment to thank your ears. They're working hard so you can enjoy every beat. Pretty amazing, right? Your body is full of hidden talents like this. Stick around and you'll start to see yourself in a whole new way.
Beware the silent invader, black mold. This toxic fungus thrives in damp, dark corners like basements, bathrooms, and behind walls. It's more than just a stain. Black mold can cause coughing, sneezing, headaches, skin irritation, and even serious respiratory or neurological issues. Look for dark spots, musty smells, and allergy-like symptoms. Don't handle it alone. Professional removal is essential to stay safe. Prevent it before it spreads. Control moisture, fix leaks, ventilate well, and use mold-resistant materials. Dehumidifiers and regular checks are your best defense. Don't let mold turn your home into a health hazard. Visit www.prime.sg for more info.
Hey there, health enthusiasts. Let's talk vitamins. Did you know your body needs 13 essential vitamins daily? But here's the kicker. You don't need to pop a handful of pills to get them. Let's break it down. Vitamin C, grab an orange. B vitamins, whole grains are your friend. Vitamin D, step outside for some sunshine. And for those leafy greens, they're packed with vitamins A, K, and folate. But wait, there's more. If you're not a fan of fruits and veggies, try smoothies or veggie-packed soups. They're tasty alternatives that still pack a vitamin punch. Remember, a balanced diet is key. So what's your favorite way to get your daily vitamins? Drop a comment below and let's share some healthy hacks. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more nutrition tips. Your body will thank you.
Sleep maxing is the latest trend that claims to turn you into the ultimate well-rested, high-performance machine. People are taping their mouths shut, timing their REM cycles, and loading up on supplements to optimize every second of shut-eye. The idea that perfect sleep equals perfect health. But here's the catch. Mess it up and you might wake up feeling worse than before. Too many sleep aids, grogginess, mouth taping without proper technique, breathing issues. Over-obsessing, more stress, not less. While better sleep is great, over-engineering it might do more harm than good. So before you turn your bedroom into a science lab, remember, sometimes just a dark room and a solid routine work best. Sleep smart, not extreme. Visceral fat is the hidden fat stored around your internal organs, and it can pose serious health risks like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which sits just under the skin, visceral fat is deeply embedded in your abdominal cavity, making it harder to notice. But how do you know if you have too much? If you're carrying extra weight around your waist or have a larger belly, it could be a sign. The good news? You can reduce visceral fat through a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper stress management. Take control of your health and start making small changes today for a healthier tomorrow. Get rid of visceral fat now. Aging gracefully in your 70s and beyond. In your 70s and beyond, it's all about maintaining independence, mental agility, and emotional well-being. Keep moving with low-impact exercises like Tai Chi and water aerobics. Eat nutrient-dense meals and stay hydrated to support your body's needs. Engage in brain-boosting activities to keep your memory sharp. Stay socially active and find joy in meaningful connections. Your 70s are about embracing the journey. Stay active, stay happy. Prime years, prime living. Hey, want to save some serious cash? Let's dive into 3 game-changing tips. First, the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait a day. You'll often realize you don't need it. Second, meal prep Sundays. Cook in bulk for the week. It's cheaper and healthier than eating out. Finally, the envelope method. Divide your cash into envelopes for different expenses. When an envelope's empty, stop spending in that category. It's old school, but it works. Try these out and watch your savings grow. Which tip are you trying first? Drop a comment below. Hey there, fabulous 40-somethings. Let's talk about keeping that body of yours in tip-top shape. You know, as we age, our nutritional needs change. So here are the top 5 essential vitamins you should be taking. First up, vitamin D. It's crucial for bone health and immune function. Next, B12. This powerhouse helps with energy and brain function. Third, we've got omega-3s. They're great for heart and joint health. Fourth on the list is calcium. It's not just for kids. We need it to keep our bones strong. Last but not least, coenzyme Q10. It's a natural antioxidant that supports heart health and energy production. Remember, always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and embrace your 40s like a boss. Prime years, prime living.